Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that allows developers to interact with a wide range of libraries and services through application programming interfaces, APIs. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of working with APIs in Python, including making HTTP requests, handling responses, and parsing data. We'll also provide code examples to illustrate each step of the process. An API, Application Programming Interface, defines the methods and data structures that developers can use to interact with a service, library, or application. In Python, we can work with APIs to retrieve data, send data, or perform various tasks. Common use cases for APIs include accessing web services, retrieving data from databases, and integrating with third-party services. Most APIs communicate over HTTP, so you'll need to use Python's requests library to make HTTP requests. If you haven't already, you can install it using pip. Now, you can use the requests library to make GET, POST, PUT, and delete requests to APIs. Here's an example of making a GET request. API responses typically include status codes, headers, and data. You should check the status code to ensure the request was successful, HTTP 200 OK, and then handle the response data accordingly. API data is often returned in JSON format. To work with this data, you can use Python's built-in JSON module to parse it into a Python dictionary or list. Here are a few more code examples of working with different types of APIs. GitHub API example, retrieve information about a GitHub user. OpenWeatherMap API example, get current weather data for a specific location. In these examples, replace your _API _key_ here with your actual API key if required. That's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to work with APIs in Python. Remember to refer to the API documentation for the specific service you are using to understand its endpoints and data formats. ChatGPT.